Guys, you won't believe it. It finally snowed. As you can see, it is snowing. Well, it was at least. This time I did get a brush. Look at that. It's falling off. That is cool. You can see the headlight. This car is fully covered. This is the glass right here. Look at that. Got the roof. See how much we can get fall off? Clumps. Let's get a bigger clump. Whoa. And let's see. Look at this tiny window right here. So you can see through. No. Look at this. Snow just falls right off. Got all through the sides. Let's make that fall off. Sharp eyes. Oh, there's where the gas goes. Another window. 2 windows. Let's see. Low. Look at this. Big clump of snow right here. Hyundai. It's like I'm brushing it. Whee! Oh, look at that. La la la. Oh, look at this back window right here. Look at that. Look at how thick that is. That is some thick snow. Get that right off. Do have cars driving by. We do also have an ice side, but there is not much ice on it right now. There might be a little bit over here, but no, there's not much. Oh, got a little bit on my legs. Let's get this open. Get the handles. Car is now started. See the tires. Alright, thank you guys for watching.